Let's check this batch. Test for bricks and look for mold.
Right. These look good. No visible contamination. Good. Checking sugar now.
18.5.
That's within spec. Excellent. This lot is approved.
Now adding the enzymes to enhance clarification. The enzymes break down particles, making the juice clearer. Stirring now to distribute evenly. In the modern white grape processing plant, juice is pumped into temperature-controlled settling temperature, allowing solids to separate and settle. This process clarifies the juice, preparing it for fermentation. In the modern plant, clarified white grape juice flows steadily through stainless steel pipes. It enters the decanter centrifuges for high-speed separation, refined juice ready for the next stage. Centrifuges remove fine suspended particles from white grape juice at the modern white grape processing plant. The high-speed rotation forces particles to the edges, leaving the juice clear. At the modern white grape processing plant, white grape juice is pumped into ultrafiltration membranes. This step separates impurities, ensuring a clear, high-quality processing. At the modern white grape processing plant, high-temperature short pasteurization, the white grape juice heated to degrees Celsius and held for 15 seconds. This process eliminates microorganisms, ensuring quality and safety. At the modern white grape processing plant, rapid cooling systems lower the temperature of pasteurized white grape juice. This process quickly brings the juice from 85 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees, ensuring quality and safety.
Initiating sugar level check on this batch. Reading is 15.8 bricks. Adjusting now. Target of 16 bricks achieved. Process complete. This ensures consistent quality.
Acidity adjustment systems balance pH levels in white grape juice at the modern white grape processing plant. The system is stabilizing the pH to 3.5. Real-time sensors ensure quality and consistency. Polishing filters further enhance clarity of white grape juice at the modern white grape processing plant. At the modern white grape processing plant, juice is transferred from these large tanks. It flows through stainless steel pipes to the automated bottling lines. Here, bottles are filled with precision at high speed. Inverted bottle sterilization ensures cap hygiene for white grape juice at the modern white grape processing plant. At the modern white grape processing plant, automated systems apply branded labels to bottles with speed and precision. This ensures consistent branding and quality control for every bottle of white grape juice. Cold storage rooms maintain optimal conditions for white grape juice at the modern white grape processing plant. Advanced systems regulate temperature and humidity to preserve freshness and quality. Cold storage rooms maintain optimal conditions for white grape juice at the modern white grape processing plant. Advanced systems regulate temperature and humidity to preserve freshness and quality. In the modern white initiative cleans cycle, flushing lines with hot solution, sensors monitor temperature, flow, and pH for optimal cleaning. This ensures hygienic, residue-free pipelines for juice production. Flow rate is steady at 150 liters per minute.
Confirmed. No anomalies detected.
Good. Increase the flow to 160.
Adjusting now. Monitoring the pressure.
Looks stable. Good work. Flow rate is optimal at 150 liters per minute. Confirming. Temperature steady at 20 degrees. Good. Brix level is 22.5, well within range.
pH is stable at 3.2. No adjustments needed.
Water treatment systems purify processing water used in the modern white grape processing plant. At the modern white grape processing plant, steam boilers supply heat for pasteurizing white grape juice. The juice flows through the line where it's heated to eliminate harmful bacteria. This ensures a safe, high-quality product. Let's check the pressure on Unit 4B.
It's holding steady at 3.2.
Good. No fouling on the membranes.
Flow rate is optimal at 150.
Excellent. Log it.
Opening the valve, collect about 200 milliliters.
Flow is steady. Bottle is almost full.
Good. Cap it and check for
Looks clear, no sediment.
Excellent. Log it and prep for the pH test.
Output is up. Let's check the pH.
pH is stable at 3.2. Brix is perfect.
Good. This batch meets premium standards.
Agreed. I'll update the log.
Good. Let's monitor the next batch. The conveyor speed looks stable, but let's check the emergency stops. All stops tested this morning. Records are in the log. Good. And the spill kit locations?
They're all clearly marked and stocked.
Excellent.
Drawing the sample now.
Ready for the reading?
Applying the drop.
Brix is 22.5. Perfect.
That's optimal.
Agreed. Let's log it.
We're testing these white grape juice samples for microbes. First, we use a sterile swab to take a sample. Next, we examine it under the microscope. Finally, we incubate the cultures.
Initiating colorimetric analysis for clarity verification. Inserting sample of crystal clear white grape juice. Analysis complete. Clarity is 99%. NTU is 0.2. Sample is verified. At the modern white grape processing plant, pH meters confirm the acidity balance of white grape juice. Digital displays provide precise, real-time measurements, ensuring quality and consistency. At the modern white grape processing plant, pH meters confirm the acidity balance of white grape juice. Digital displays provide precise, real-time measurements, ensuring quality and consistency.
Let's begin the flavor consistency evaluation. This sample has a clean, fresh aroma.
Agreed.
The taste is balanced, not too sweet.
Yes, very consistent.
Recording that.
Seal integrity testing ensures every bottle is properly sealed. Bottles are gripped and pressure is applied to the seal. The digital display confirms the seal has passed.
Seal integrity testing ensures every bottle is properly sealed. Bottles are gripped and pressure is applied to the seal. The digital display confirms the seal has passed. Initiating drop test for white grape juice carton. Carton intact, test successful. Scanning batch WGJ01 for traceability. Scan confirmed. Batch verified. All bottles from this batch are fully traced.
The documentation is ready for the white grape juice shipment.
Excellent. Let me review the final batch details.
All quality metrics are in range. Microbial results are clear.
Perfect. I'll sign off on this now.
Thank you.
All tests passed, ready to sign.
Agreed. Let's sign.
Signing for batch 2023-0045.
Confirm. Signing now.
Release approved. Forms are filed. These data loggers are inserted to monitor juice temperature. We ensure quality from here to delivery. Final inventory counts confirm quantities of white grape juice. This pallet holds 500 cases, all quantities confirmed, no discrepancies. Distribution schedules are approved for white grape juice leaving the modern white grape processing plant. Sanitize the bottling line. Start at the filling stations. Use the high-pressure spray on all nozzles. Scrub the pipes thoroughly. No residue. Check for any missed spots. Control systems initiating shutdown procedures at the modern white grape processing plant.
Shutdown sequence confirmed. Monitoring all systems.
All processes confirming. Plant is now fully offline. Here, stainless steel tanks stand empty and ready for white grape juice. The interior gleams, a testament to our rigorous cleaning protocols. Every pipe and valve is spotless, ensuring optimal flow.